I'm making a bloody good Halloween punch. I think it's really cool to have a big gargantuan ta-da ice cube in a punch. So you get a bunk pan.
And you fill it up.
Fill it up with water and seedless stemmed black grapes, and pop that in the freezer like a day before because it takes a long time to freeze.
For freeze.
So first we got to make the simple syrup because I did an apple cider simple syrup.
Alrighty.
So basically you put in half a cup of apple cider. Put that
Nice,
on.
cloudy, fresh pressed.
Right.
You want me to turn the heat on, babe?
Please.
You can do it.
You make this ahead as well. Half a cup of sugar, some allspice cloves, some black pepper, whole black pepper.
Black pepper and whole allspice berries.
Berries, sorry.
You hate cloves. That was
I
a
know.
Freudian slip.
Freudian slip. And then a cinnamon stick.
A cinnamon stick.
And then you just stir that until the sugar melts, let it cool down. Yeah, put the ice cube. There you go.
All
so
right.
now we're gonna add, this is blood orange juice because it's blood orange punch.
Nice.
And we're gonna add an entire, well, let's do a half a cup of brandy first.
Oh my God. It's gonna be a good prom.
Let's do about a cup of vodka. Or a little more than a cup.
Or like a half a bottle.
It's gonna be a long show. And then this is the cider simple that we just made.
Cider simple syrup.
Half a cup of that. So this is Lambrusco, which is sparkling red wine from Italy.
Yeah.
It's like red champagne, basically. Bloody. Bloody good.
Oh, that's glorious.
And we're gonna add a couple of blood oranges.